Today our topic is how to make an envelope. Take a paper of square shape as you have seen. We have taken a square paper. Fold the paper vertically in half and open this fold and fold in horizontally in half. We sketch the lines in order to meet them in the middle of the sheets so that the exact symmetry of the paper has obtained. We have placed this paper on a table in such a way that corners are on vertical and horizontal lines. We use the glue to combine in the middle of the paper. Fold the bottom corner up the little above the center. Apply glue along its edges and fix it on the side of the envelope. Similarly, fold the top corner up to a little below of the center. This becomes the top flap. This can be glued after putting a card on a letter and in the envelope. So, this envelope is complete.